This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. In broad daylight of 23rd June 1997 at about 1 p.m. shortly after rain was over and employees of Bank of India Kendui branch were working in the bank, 3 unidentified persons came near the counter. When branch manager of the bank made inquiries from them about object which had brought them, and it was alleged that they stated to have visited the bank to seek some information about securing loan from the bank. Shortly thereafter, 3 more unidentified persons came in the bank and placed pistol on the chest of the branch manager. And also Sri Chandrika Prasad Singh, cashier of the bank, and other employees of the bank who were on duty, and it was alleged that the unidentified miscreants, having coerced and assaulted the bank employees, secured key of strong room, removed a sum of rupees 4,24,129 from the cash counter of the bank, and putting all the inmates of the bank in a room, locked it from the outside and decamped with the booty allegedly on a vehicle which was waiting outside the bank. The alarms raised by the bank employees collected persons, on arrival of whom they were rescued from the room, and under the instruction of the senior officers of the bank, they took recourse to police authority, and Chandrika Prasad Singh, cashier of the bank, rendered his first bayan before the police, pursuant to which investigation commenced. In the process of collection of evidence during investigation, the police recorded statements of witnesses under Section 161 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, visited place of occurrence, recorded confessional statement of some of the appellants, took coercive steps for apprehension of the miscreants, got recorded statement of Muhammad Guljar (PW6) under Section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure by Sri G.S.R. Tripathi, Judicial Magistrate (PW7), and on strength of confessional statement of the accused, and at their behest made recovery of part of booty from the houses of Guddu Singh, Chandan Mahato, Tilak Sharma and Raman Tripathi. Charge sheets in 2 installments were laid before the court to put them on trial, and on their committal to the courts of session, appellants along with Tathagata Singh were put on trial. In the eventual trial, prosecution examined altogether either witnesses who were bank employees, seizure list witnesses, and also Muhammad Guljar. Appellants at trial denied their complicity in the commission of dacoity that took place in the Bank of India on 23rd June 1997, and ascribed their false implication by the police. The alleged recovery of currency notes forming part of booty attributed to them was also stoutly refuted by those from whom recoveries were said to have been made, and the trial court, on appreciation of evidences placed on record, while negative contentions raised on behalf of the appellants, finding Tathagata Singh not guilty of the charges, acquitted him, but rendered verdict of guilt against appellants Guddu Singh, Chandan Mahato, Tilak Sharma and Ramen Tripathi, finding them guilty under section 395 of the Indian Penal Code (IPC) and sentenced them to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 10 years. Guddu Singh, Chandan Mahato and Tilak Sharma were found guilty under section 412 IPC and were sentenced to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 10 years and also to pay a fine of rupees 5,000, in default of which they were to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 1 year. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.